Today's video is going to be part 7 of my Jamaican Patwah for beginners. Well, God blessed people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dee and this is the Optimistic Network. Today's video is going to be part 7 of my Jamaican Patwah for beginners. You know, as usual, we want to jump straight into the video because we don't want to make it too long. We want to make it short and spicy because I know no one likes to sit in a classroom, although we're not sitting in a classroom. But you know, I gotta tell you that if you're not subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? I've given you so many Patwah lessons. Go ahead and smash that subscribe button, turn your notification bells on, and get active in the comment. Also, feel free to follow me on all my social medias. I'll leave all my handles so you'll know them. Let's jump straight into the video. So today we're talking about H words, words that begins with H, because God knows why, God alone knows why Jamaican just totally ignore the H in every word. So I want to tell you some words and how to pronounce them. They're all going to be words that begins with the letter H, but we're gonna do them in the Jamaican Patwah style, where Jamaicans just eliminate all the H. Yeah, let's go. The first word is hospital. You know, hospital or hospital, however you say it, in Jamaican Patwah is hospital. We don't even say the O. We don't say the H, which is bad enough, but we don't say the O either. It's almost like we say A. Hospital. Yes, in admit in a hospital, you know. Yes, in admit a hospital. Yes, in admit in a hospital. Or yes, in a hospital. Or yes, in go down a hospital. Hospital. And as usual, I put in all the Patwah spelling. That way you'll see how it's pronounced if you can understand what I'm saying. So, yeah. Hospital. Hospital. The next H word is home. Oh my God, you have a beautiful home. In Patwah, home. Home. No H. Just home in Jamaican Patwah. Home in English. Home in Jamaican Patwah, which is like O-M-E. Yeah. The next word is hope. Hope in English. Hope. I hope you nobody play with me, you know. I hope you nobody play with me, you know. Boy, I'm just hoping at the Lord. Just hope the Lord will change my situation. Hope. Hope in English. O-P-E in Patwah. Hope. Hope in English. Hope in Patwah. The next word in English is homosexuality. Well, yo, Jamaicans not like that at all. Them refer to you in some derogative ways, but they say homosexuality. They say other things too, you know. Them call it other things too. Like fish, Batman, and other things. This is no disrespect to any of my LGBTQ family. I'm with you. But homosexuality in English, homosexual in Patwah. Homosexuality in English, homosexual in Patwah. And all the other names. Next word in English is hire. Hire? Hire? Are you hiring? I have a joke about that. The word in Patwah is hire. Hire. Yo boss, you hire nobody over there? My joke is, it's not really a joke, it's just an experience. So I went to get my social security number in the federal building. So when I went in there, you know, I kind of had to sit and wait, and there were like no one in there. So I figured I would ask the person that came to me if they were hiring. And he could not understand me at all. My friend was there with me because she brought me there. When I asked the guy that came out, I'm like, are you guys hiring? I thought I said hire, but apparently I didn't. He couldn't understand me, and he said, what did you say? I'm like, are you hiring? What did you say? Are you hiring? And my friends were laughing, and I'm like, what? And she said, D, he don't understand you. And then my friend said to him, she's asking if you're hiring. Like, I thought I said hire, but I don't know what I said or what I was saying to him, but he couldn't understand one thing that I was saying. I'm pretty sure I was saying hire, because I know he wouldn't understand if I said aya. I'm pretty sure I didn't say aya. In English, hire, and in Patwah, aya. Aya. We don't even pronounce the R. A-I-E. Aya. A-I-E. Is that it? Or A-I-A. Aya. So we say it in Patwah, aya. Hire in English, aya in Patwah. This word in English is hero. Hero in English. I respect you so much. Trust me. You're my hero. In Patwah, hero. probably E-R-O, hero, left off the H. We forget the H, no H on the pan in Patwah. Hero. Hero in English, hero in Patwah. The next word in English is Hennessy. Jamaicans love Hennessy, but they will never say Hennessy. Hennessy in English, Hennessy in Patwah. Hennessy, Hennessy. No H, E, Hennessy. Yo, buy me a back like Hennessy, no? Hennessy in English, Hennessy in Patwah. Patwah seems easier to me. I like Patwah. The next word in English is heart. Heart. Have a heart. Think about another person's feeling. Patwah, art. English, heart. Patwah, art. Have a heart, no man. Think about the next man feeling, man. Heart in English, art in Patwah. It's not even art in Patwah, because we don't really say art like A-R-T either. We say art. Art. Like A-U-T maybe? Art. This word in English is high. You've been smoking all day. You must be high. In Jamaican Patwah, I. Yo, all day you're smoking a high? You know I? What that? I don't know. I'm gonna struggle with spellings because I really even don't know those spellings, but I'm here to tell you that Jamaicans don't pronounce H. So instead of saying hi, which is English, in Patwah, I, and it's not hi, it's I. Your I. Right now you're going to say you must hi. Yeah. Hi in English, I in Patwah. The word in English is hurt. Hurt. The word in Patwah is hurt. Hurt. And there's another joke about that. When I used to talk to one of my friends on the phone, one time we were having a conversation about hurting, and she always laughed. She said, I said, just a hurt. So hurt. U-R-T, hurt. Hurt, or probably E-R-T, hurt. Hurt. In Patwah, never hurt in Patwah. In English, hurt. In Patwah, hurt. You know you hurt me feeling when you said that to me? Yeah, man, me feeling hurt. I said I was gonna give you 10, but here is the bonus, number 11. The word in English is hell. H-E-L-L, hell. 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 I don't know what sentence to give about hell. In Patwah, L. L. So maybe E-L, L, L. Yo, you go straight to L. Yo, you go straight to L. L. Hell in English, L in Patwah. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave your comments below. I love you guys, and I'll see you again in my next upload on Monday. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Stay safe, stay out of harm's way, and just be blessed. I love you. Mwah.